Luke's wife, she takes a bunch of ladies to Mercedes herself. Full moon, every full moon, she takes these ladies out to bless the water. We start east, south, west, and north. Bottom, Shaunam, Gishmominaki right now. So the spirit of the water is strong. I was up Sault Ste. Marie one time. I think there was 18 ladies that was going to start from the Sioux there and walk to Lake Superior, back around and do blessing each reserve that they could find on the way. Doing that, what they doing. As they went through different reserves, that maybe 2-3 ladies. By the time they got back, I think 20, 30 ladies came back with them. I heard this after. Anyway, we were there when they were leaving, so bless them and all that. Water is powerful spirits there. You got to respect the water. And the scariest one is right now. I don't know if anybody recognizes it or told you. Coronavirus, something that's getting rid of a lot of us, and that's the whole world. And me, I think we're being whipped, we're being punished for what we're doing to the earth. Polluting the air, polluting the water, polluting the ground. And I think something is happening up there. The whole world is doing the same thing all over, polluting air and everything. So what we got here? So we're being punished. And I don't know if anybody else around the world sees that. That's what I think anyway. So we got to start thinking about what we got. Earth, air, water, take care of what we got, what is given to us.